The Hatfield Motor Group started in 1998 with one dealer. From then, they've always been on Keyloop, and we've just expanded into 45 dealers, multi-franchise.
The Hatfield business operations really grew historically through acquisitions. We had identified that we can increase their efficiency and back office processes by migrating all of them onto Drive, onto a single environment and platform.
Some of the challenges we faced before we moved over to Drive was exporting of information, reporting challenges, and even though there was OEM integration, I don't think it was as streamlined as it is on Drive. From the workshop side, the integration between workshop and the OEM, that's much more streamlined. It's much easier to invoice out a vehicle, link everything, and from the account side, much easier to transact and actually process documentation.
The advantages of the new Keyloop system that we've experienced throughout our journey now with Keyloop was the centralization of information, accessing data for the entire group within one view. Audit trail, trying to identify error postings was much easier, less time consuming than the previous system.
With their migration onto a single platform, we've seen a lot of harmonization in terms of departmental processes, efficiencies, all of which benefited their customer experience when walking through the door.
I think most importantly for us would have been the reporting. It's much easier to get our reporting out from Drive. Our financials, our day-to-day operations, having a system that's as robust to actually take out those reports, actually write those reports, really does help.
Keyloop have a lot of opportunities, and I've seen that the roadmaps that's mentioned, that there's a nice products coming forward, which is exciting, and I think they're keeping up with the times, which is good for us to know that we will be, involving with them and with technology going forward.
Our vision of Keyloop supporting Hatfield going into the future is that the platform that they have now standardized on allows them to continue growing through acquisitions. It's quite simple for them now to add additional brands, additional business operations into this one single platform.
What I would recommend about Keyloop is probably the robustness of the system and the fact that there's a lot of capabilities that you can actually do within the DMS that I don't think a lot of DMSs can actually do.